Hey, you guys know I'm a little strange. And well, this is strange. If you ever wanted to know what being a professional By the People gamer was like, I thought I'd share this experience with you. I get up sometime between 5 a.m. and 10 a.m. I stagger out into the bright light, and it's time to make coffee. Yes, delicious coffee. It helps get me set up for my high energy day. First, I take out the old coffee, and I stagger down the hallway. Oh my, I forgot to take the trash out again last night. I'm gonna hear about that soon. Can't wait for that. And back to the coffee pot. Oh boy. I need coffee. Where did I put that? Oh, there's the coffee. Okay. Let's see. One filter. Yeah, it's a filter, alright. Just have one. She gets mad if I use two. It's not strong enough. There's the coffee. My cheap, generic, great value coffee. But I like it. More importantly, she likes it. Okay, I don't want to mess this up. I already screwed the day up with the trash thing. There's one. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I don't want to lose count. 8. 9. 10. Too little. She cries about it because it's too weak. 11. 12. Too much. And the crap goes everywhere. 13. 14. 15. Oh shoot, I lost count. Maybe, was that 15? Or was that 16? Oh boy. Okay. Well, better make a mess than have it too weak. Oh yeah, put the lid back on. Put the coffee away. If I don't do it now, I won't do it later. And water. I need some water. Boy, that sun's bright. I don't like it when it's bright. Unless I've had my coffee. Once I have my coffee, bright's good. That's about right there. That's another problem I have. Sometimes I put a little too much in there. Boy, she's not happy then. That's when it's pea coffee. Okay, that's about 12 cups. Little too much, but maybe she won't notice. She'll be all worked up over the trash thing, so she won't have time to notice the weak coffee. Maybe. Probably not. But I can hope. Okay, well, now I wait. Did I turn it on? I think I turned it on. I'll make an extended version of this for those of you that want a sleepy time video. I'll put that in my sleepy time video series. Oh, I know you'll like that. Some of you will. I know some of you have asked for that. And I'd like to deliver for my fans. And now the coffee's brewing. Oh yes, it's coming in nice and steady. And now we wait. There, after about 10 minutes, it's finally ready. Now, you know how my morning goes. And this is the morning in the life of a professional by the people gamer. Neverwinter gamer, more specifically. Thank you for watching. Hope you loved it. Please comment, watch it over and over again, share, and subscribe so we can do it again.